Hello and thank you for watching this video. Today we're going to talk about this Alpine Hemlock recess kit. This is the kit that you might need for you to put your hand dryer, and it comes with hardware. It comes with instructions on how to install it. Here are the screws. It's kind of sharp, so be careful. So this is what it looks like. It has a really nice finish. Comes with this little chain. So the dryer itself, it comes with the holes here where you're gonna hang it from there. Of course, I'm just gonna leave it here for a second. So that's what it looks like. But if you're gonna make a hole on your wall, or if you already have the space for it, you're not gonna need this cable. This cable is gonna go through the back to the wall, and you do have the holes here, so you could put the power cable through there. And the chain is so you can open this up. This will open up. You have the hinges here. So as you can see, it looks like a really nice combination. Nice finish. And if you get any water, you're gonna get it probably here instead of your wall. So this, you could just wipe it down, clean it, and that's all you need. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.